Welcome back to my channel, friends. This is Nirav Goel here, and in this video I will give you difference between IDP IELTS and British Council IELTS. So once any student starts preparing for IELTS examination, after 1 month this question is asking to everybody: IDP IELTS is better or British Council? So I will clear your doubts in this video because many students has asked me this question via email, from which institute I should take date, IDP or British Council. So first, let me tell you what is IELTS. IELTS is International English Language Testing System. This exam is kind of entrance test for those who are belongs to non-native English speaking country. So this exam is jointly owned by British Council, IDP IELTS Australia and Cambridge English Language Assessment. So any of these three can conduct IELTS examination, and the certificate will be valid for 2 years. So let me start from IDP. So what is IDP? IDP is an Australian private limited network which is available in 35 countries with 200 IELTS exam centers. And on the another side, British Council conducting exam with around 9,000 centers in 140 countries. So British Council IELTS has a wide network compared to IDP. So what is the similarity in between IDP and British Council IELTS? So both are following similar pattern only. If you are taking IDP IELTS, then you have to give exam with the same pattern. The exam pattern will not change by 1%. It will remain same. Second thing is same rule will be there. Reading, listening and writing will be on one day and speaking will be on another day. So these rules will remain same. Grading system. Third similarity, grading system. If you are scoring 30 marks in listening test, IDP IELTS and British Council IELTS both will give you 7 band. So not even a single person change in grading system that has been set by the Unity, so they will not make any changes in it. So if you are going with IDP British, if you are scoring 30, you will definitely score 7 band. Fourth similarity, speaker and audio quality is exactly same in listening test. Yes, speaker quality does matter when you are giving IELTS listening examination because everything should be clear. So it will be same, but it depends on centers. The centers which are generated within 1 year, they are having wireless speakers and the audio quality is also good. So it depends, but mostly you will be able to catch everything. Fifth similarity, once you score 7 band, your paper will be rechecked by expert. So if any examiner made any mistake, that will be resolved over there, and if you deserve 7.5, you will get 7.5. so you do not have to worry about it. And the same rule, if we apply on the listening, then yes, if you score more than 7 band, your recorded audio will be examined by an expert which is in Bangalore. They will listen, and if they think you deserve 6.5, they can deduct your mark as well, and if they think no, you deserve 7.5, so they can increase your score by 0.5 band. So do not worry about it, nobody will cheat you. And last similarity, both will give you result on 13th day. So after 12 day you will get your IELTS results. So do not worry about it, both will give you result on 13th day. It might possible British will give in the morning and IDP declare in the afternoon. So I don't think so that is a major concern for anyone. So what is difference in between IDP and British Council, or which institute is good for IELTS? There are several differences as well. Actually, IDP is taking speaking exam before main 3 exams. So what happens if you performed bad in speaking examination, its impact will automatically come on remaining 3 exams. But if you are good at speaking, so this isn't your concern because you will definitely score well. Second difference is, compared to British Council, IDP evaluation is tough. So if you are scoring 6 bands in British Council, so there are possibilities you will only score 5 or 5.5 in IDP. Sometimes in IDP, listening audio is very tricky. They are twisting the things, they are putting the tough audios. So yes, this is possible. But one thing you have to make in your mind, if they have 100 videos, so IDP and British both will have the same 100 videos, sorry, audios. So that won't change, they will play the audio and that will remain same in IDP and British. So it depends on your luck, you are getting easy audio or hard audio. So what is conclusion, where to go with IDP or British? Guys, I took around 10 students review and then I made this video, and upon their experience they are telling me compared to IDP, British is better because of evaluation is very tough in IDP and we are not getting proper band as well, and due to the speaking examination before the main exam, it is having very negative sides. So if you are targeting for 6.5 and if you don't have that much of time to attempt the exam second time, I would like to advise you go with British Council. Everything will be very fine, be prepared for it and be confident for it. From my point of view, from IDP and British Council is better, but if you have a good English skills, you can score in both IDP and British. So I hope this video will definitely help you and will give you some kind of answer. So, and if you need any help or assistance, you can write me on comments or you can mail me on my mail ID. And if you have any ideas or any suggestion, you can write in comments. Ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Till then, keep practicing and please do not forget to subscribe my channel for more updated videos. And if you have any doubts, you can write down. I will try to make video and will give you information definitely. Thank you.